Welcome to the calm before the storm. And by calm, I mean the boring kind of sideways action in the crypto market right now that we're seeing in the charts. And while it may seem kind of uneventful, yes, that's true, it actually serves as a precedent because historically it's come right before all of the other major BTC bull runs. Now, of course, I can't guarantee anything because history does not specifically repeat, but let's hypothetically assume that a bull run is on the horizon. It could be 2 or 3 or 4 months or 6 months away. Whatever the case may be, it's in your best interest to put yourself in the driver's seat. And so in that spirit, we are looking at 3 small cap altcoins today that stand to do very well in the next leg up. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. All the best of luck if you choose to invest into these projects, or otherwise, I wish you well. Just remember that I'm not a financial or investment advisor, and that means, of course, that this video by extension is not official financial or investment advice. At number 1 here, we're kicking off our list with an RWA project, Real World Assets. And that's also the token with the smallest market cap on the list today. I'm talking about Polytrade, whose ticker is TRADE, T-R-A-D-E. As you probably already know, RWA is a white-hot sector in crypto. We have BlackRock, for example, which is the biggest financial firm investing heavily into this sector. And here's a stat that I've been quoting recently. The Boston Consulting Group has forecasted a $16 trillion market for RWAs by 2030. $16 trillion. Okay, so what does Polytrade Finance do within this RWA market? Well, remember that RWAs are just assets in a tokenized format, and Polytrade has the world's first marketplace for tokenized RWAs. These are items like T-bills or treasury bills. These are short-term and low-risk debt obligations. They're backed by the US Treasury Department, and denominations are between 100 USD and 10 million USD. There's also credit, stocks, collectibles, infrastructure, commodities, and of course, a big one that seems to be made for RWAs is real estate. And Polytrade has built up an impressive ecosystem. It partnered with, among others, plenty of leading RWA projects like Ondo Finance, Centrifuge, Goldfinch, Clearpool, and others. And as backers, Polytrade can boast Polygon, AlphaWave, DWF, and MasterCard. Plus, its marketplace is currently available on 9 chains, including Polygon, Arbitrum, Ethereum, and Manta, plus a whole bunch of others that are slated to join. Polytrade is currently on V2, which has 2 verticals. So besides the RWA marketplace, it also offers institutional technology. Furthermore, it also offers its own token technology. That's the ERC6960 token standard, and this token represents the wrapped RWA assets. It also has its native TRADE, T-R-A-D-E token, the current price of which is 58.5 cents. However, earlier this year, in March, it reached its current all-time high of $3.03, so there's still a lot of room to grow here. Its market cap right now is almost $22 million with a total supply of 100 million. 37 million of those are currently in circulation, out of which 15% is already staked. However, 50% is locked until 2027. And so taken all together, especially at this market cap, Polytrade looks good. At number 2 here, we are looking at DIMO, D-I-M-O. And with this, we're entering the DePIN sector, which stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. And so DIMO stands for Digital Infrastructure for Moving Objects. And this brings us nicely into the vehicle industry. And as a vehicle owner, DIMO allows you to collect, use, and monetize your vehicle data. This is as Web3 as it can get, because you're in control of all your data. So in this case, your vehicle's data. Anybody can build a dApp or service on DIMO because it is totally open source. You can now mint your car as an NFT on the Polygon chain, so it's also EVM compatible. Next, you can also choose if or when you want to monetize your data. And so the idea here is that anybody, anyone, anywhere in the world can make their car smart and programmable. You can sign up and get immediate access to a series of connected car applications and services. And DIMO claims that its platform is compatible with any car built in the year 2008 or thereafter. The simple fact is that car companies out there collect your car data and they use that data. This improves safety and helps those companies. However, they also monetize the data of your car. DIMO, by contrast, allows you to get a share of this. And if you want to install DIMO in your car, here's in a nutshell how you would do it as far as the short explanation goes. Download DIMO on your mobile through the car company's app, connect your DIMO app, and then you can drive, earn, and save. It's actually pretty easy if you break down the steps. The DIMO token, DIMO, sits right now just above 13 cents. Its market cap is just below $31 million, so still very small. There's a max and total supply of 1 billion tokens, of which currently 236 million DIMO are in circulation. For context, its all-time high was in December 2023 at 73 cents. Last but not least here on our list, we're considering ChainGPT. CGPT is the ticker, and we're entering here the last of the important sectors in crypto that we want to cover in this video. This one, of course, being AI, artificial intelligence. ChainGPT aims to help users like yourself and like myself, but also businesses and developers. You can ask its chatbot any crypto or blockchain related question. ChainGPT should give you a fast, accurate, reliable, and up-to-date answer. Just to give you an idea of what kind of questions you can get answers to, we have anything that relates really to blockchain analytics, AI trading, smart contract development and auditing, NFT creation, AI auditing, or even risk management. So do not hesitate to interact with the platform. It's got a bunch of other great features as well besides the chatbot, things like an AI generator and auditor, an AI trading assistant, an NFT generator, as well as a launchpad and a bunch of other stuff too. It is a diverse and compact platform with pretty significant potential for this AI future that we're boldly stepping into. The current price of CGPT sits right now at 12.34 cents with a $67 million market cap. The max token supply is 1 billion, of which 545 million are in circulation. This project saw its all-time high earlier this year in March at about 55 cents. It's a project that's in the right sector, it's doing some great things, and is providing services that are needed for which there is major demand, so there should be plenty of room for growth here.